I also used to wear Yeezys, but when I tried on Clouds, my life changed.
Ayun, kakarating lang natin ng Green Hills dahil kasama ko pa rin si Jen and si Maika. Pakita mo sarili mo, Mix. Hey! Ayun, so ibibigay na natin yung gift natin dito. Let's go! Happy birthday to you!
Lagi yan yan.
Happy birthday!
What's up, brother?
Happy birthday, boss.
Thank you. Happy year pa?
Eh,
Ano lang ano?
sa'yo lahat to!
Thank you.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ayun!
There you go!
Hey!
Ano to? Okay, pang sabon sa mukha. Hindi na masama sa dating perla yung ginagamit. Okay, thank you, Brody. Salamat.
Happy birthday,
Thank you. What's up, guys? We're here sa Getting Store. I'm with Brother Carl.
And with Brother Nico.
So, ayan. Check natin kung makabenta tayo ng mga sapatos today.
Siyempre naman madami. Let's go!
Kaya si Edson, makapasok ko. Nabenta ako. Sir, nagpabudol ka agad kay Edson.
Magaling eh.
Magaling. Dating lang yun.
Rate, 1 out of 10 yun, out of 10.
If more an active wear, ma'am, you go for the Moonfall. Pero kung casual wear, you go for the Cloud 6. Kasi if you wear this po, tapos kunyari both feet po, pag nakatayo kayo yung balance na, it pushes you forward kasi pang running siya eh. Opo. Casual run, ma'am. Okay
na to.
Hindi lang yung mga marathon, yung mga ganon.
Okay lang.
Oo.
Natutest ko na siya ng Sunday.
Sunday.
Nag-run kami every Sunday.
So ayun, sold natin yung Cloud 6 pearl white colorway kay Madam, which is, sold for 12,000 pesos.
Di ba sige sa'yo? Baka lumag na.
Sold 3 pairs, dalawang Cloud Tail, yung sand green colorway, yung Zendaya, and then NB 530 white silver link. Pero sulit ang on-cloud talaga. Sobrang sulit. Thank you, Madam. Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Boss, thank you. Salamat. Nice to meet you, bossing.
Babalik po
Madam,
kami.
thank you. Thank you po. Salamat. Salamat, ma'am. Congrats sa inyong NB. On cloud. Benta. On cloud.
Do you guys have this in size 9?
Unfortunately, sir, 10.5 na lang po yung natala for this. For size 9, we can do a pre-order.
Should be fit for the all black.
For the Eclipse po, our price setting is 14,000.
Okay. Do you guys have that in 9?
Yes, we have this one in size 9.
Can I see?
Of course, sir. Sige, wait lang. Size 9. Kaya nag-English na ako, guys. Marunong na ako mag-English na. Sir, ito po. Try natin. Sobrang comfortable to, sir.
Yeah, feeling ko just no need.
Ano need?
No.
Eh, kasi yung magic ng on-cloud is when you fit it. I mean, you don't be pressured to buy it. I just want you to try. Kasi you're easy kind of guy. And I also used to wear Yeezys, but when I tried on cloud, my life changed. They're a little bit snug when you fit them on, pero when nandun na nakapit na ito, you'll know what I mean. Grabe yung comfort yan. Different talaga ito. Super lightweight. Hindi masakit sa paa. Pati yung matulog, diretso, hindi ba natanggalin siya?
Yeah, I'm sold.
Go na, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. You're not asking for discount. I'll give a discount. 13.5. Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you, Sir Abay. Nice to meet you po. Salamat po. Thank you, sir. Salamat. Madam, thank you po. Salamat po. Sabi ko kay sir na, change your life. Buy an on cloud. Yung mga bagong mga tagline, diba? Guys, mga lululay mo, no? Mga nagalulu. Pang girl na hoodie. Ay, meron tayong mga leggings siya. Yan. Kano ang bill? Cash na lang natin. Ay, magkano yung cost mo? Tapos dagdagan ko na lang. 39,000. Sa 7 items, agano na lang tayo. Kano bro? Tingin mo, card.
Sa akin, plus 500.
Plus 500 per item. Plus 500 per item, bro.
Wala ka na.
Deal.
Deal na, bilis naman.
42. 42.
Okay,
May cash mo tayo dyan? 42. Pay na natin si brother. Eric, SJ. Yan, kagawad.
Pay ko lang.
Oy guys, bilhin kayo sa kanya. Marami tong
Mayaman to.
Ano page? Anong page mo, bro?
Wala na.
Wala nang page. Sariling. Thank you, brother. Ingat ka. So yun guys, tropa natin yung reseller din, nag-deliver ng mga Lululemon. Connections guys, connections.
Check na.
Ay, sorry. Ako tapos na kasi ako nag-drip check kanina sa Dior event. Dito na lang si Brother Nico.
Drip natin today. So for the cap, we're wearing a New Era cap 2.5. For the top and also the pants, we're wearing mango, brown. I forgot na, siguro mga 3 or 2,000. And then for the shoes, we have the Asics Gel kaya, no, Birch colorway. This is sold for 10,500. It's again next store.